Hey guys, it's almost 7 a.m. I'm checking out of this hotel right now, but before I do, I'm gonna have some breakfast. The shuttle bus is gonna come pick me up at 7:50, so I gotta have like 30 minutes to eat my breakfast and be completely ready. Guys, let's try this one more time because I really need to be in Jamaica. Alright guys, so this is my breakfast for the day. I got mint tea, some fruits, yogurt, cake, and eggs. Hey guys, so I am finally in Jamaica. Yeah, and I'm here with my nephew. Say hi, Samir.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, and I have my sister. My sister can keep me up.
Hey guys.
Yeah, so I'm
finally on the vlog.
Finally, huh?
Me too.
Yeah,
Stop
you
talking
too.
like
Anyways, so I'm trying to surprise my mom because she doesn't know that I'm coming today. Yeah, the only person that knows is my sister, and then my nephew. He just found out that I was but we didn't record anything because there were too many people and we were stopped. Well, they picked me up right on the main road or whatever, so I didn't get to
pick me up at the departure.
Yeah, but yeah, so I didn't get to record anything or whatever. The police was there, so yeah, and we were struggling to get the luggage in the back and all of that, so yeah. But anyways, we're gonna stop for food. Anyways, look at Jamaica. When sees them have solar? Well, I know they had solar before, but I didn't know that was there.
Jamaica has solar.
I know they had it, but I'm just saying like that looks like a solar plant. I'm not trying to say anything.
You want me to stop and get chicken for you?
Yes, I told them to carry patty.
Party places are locked.
I told him to carry chicken or cheese patty for me and spicy KFC wings. And what they came with? Nothing. And I'm starving.
No, I have the spicy KFC wings.
Oh, give me.
That's what I'm saying. This, I put it on the ground right there. So somebody said this have to lift up.
She put the luggage on one. Hold this on.
No,
here.
I don't put it on it. It's
Under, okay.
It's under it.
I'm hungry. I'm starving, people. Starving. I haven't had KFC in 5 years.
What? You didn't have KFC, Sachoney?
No, I meant Jamaican KFC. That's what I mean. We are in park.
We're right here. We're parked right here.
Guys, I saw JUTC. If you know, you know. Those were the days. What are you showing them? Okay. Palisades Strip. Beautiful Jamaica.
Sachoney, do you miss Jamaica?
Do I
How
miss
does it
Jamaica?
feel to come home
It
after
feels.
4 years.
I'm smiling. It's in here is darker. The car is tinted.
You mean after 5 years?
Almost 4 years, 4 months. How does it feel? It feels wonderful. KFC people, KFC billboard. Yeah,
already bought this.
yeah. So probably, I guess she said all the party places are closed. So I guess we're gonna get party tomorrow. But anyways,
Mommy, mother's party place was not closed.
no, I don't like mother's party.
Hi guys, I'm 7 years old. My name is Samir Dickinson, and my birthday is coming up. It's December the 9th. And
Wait, hello, boy. What? Not bother with it. Not bother with it.
I like spicy wings.
I hope I saw you know your book, you know. Let's say I hope I saw him know him book.
Yeah, he's a smart boy.
Okay. I don't even know this song. Wow.
Okay?
I said I don't even know this song.
That's why I'm playing it. I just want to share no big song and a long time.
We stopped to get patty, so we're getting what, cheese and chicken patty. I'm eating cheese and chicken. At one cheese, one chicken patty. Hey guys, we're gonna drive.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we're gonna do a drive-through thing. I know that it's late, but I'm gonna do like let the car in front of us choose what we're gonna buy. Yeah. because I was in Japan when that challenge came out, and I didn't drive in Japan, so doing it here in Jamaica, but not today. Another time, because I'm tired. Tired, man. How you feeling, Samir?
Feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah. Could feel better.
Could feel better? Why? Could you? Why? Huh?
I just still feel like. I just still feel so good.
You just don't feel so good, but you feel okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Soka. Say soka. Soka. You know what that means?
I have no clue.
It means I see in Japanese. The little Japanese that I know. Say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa means hi.
Yeah, hi or hello. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Sachoney desu. So watashi wa
You remember your pin?
Samir desu. I don't remember my pin.
Oh wait, what is watashi is
I. Watashi means I. Watashi, yeah. Watashi
that
means
big
I.
word means just I.
Yes. Samir is a different language. Yeah, people. Watashi wa Sachoney desu. Jamaica desu. Guys, I don't know Japanese. I don't
Them
know.
are saying this for you.
I got cake.
Yeah, I got cake.
Huh?
It's coconut cream cake.
Coconut cream cake. It's
Guys,
melted,
she got
so.
cake. Guys, she got
Because it's so
cake.
hot.
Anyways,
Just a pepper. Pepper.
you see,
What I'm saying?
he said high five, and I know that he was gonna move his hand, so I did it very fast. So I caught him. Yeah, man. I think you can fool me.
I was about, when they put it like this, I was about, like,
I know, Samir. I wasn't born
how
yesterday.
does it feel?
Hey guys. Sachoney, how does it feel to be back in Jamaica? Like seriously.
I don't know, cause I haven't stepped out yet. You know.
Yo.
Yeah, I don't know yet, but so far so good. Even in America, like, let me tell you, it's kind of weird because I'm seeing, it's like I want to, well, wait, we're picking up the food. Let me stop talk. Oh, we're not picking up yet. All right, so the thing is, because I'm not used to seeing so many black people, so like when I was in America and I saw a lot of black people, I was like, damn. Even today in Florida, because yeah, I later went to Florida, I was like, damn, so many everywhere I look, because I was on a flight that was coming directly to Jamaica, so of course a lot of Jamaican, and there are a lot of people talking patois, all kind of things. I'm like, damn.
Me want some food.
Nobody said that, Samir. Anyways, I'm like, I feel so good. It feels, I don't know. It feels.
How much followers do you have?
Did it sanitize your hand?
Yeah, I did.
How much followers do you have?
How much what?
How much followers do you have?
Followers. Oh, subscribers. I have over 1,000 subscribers somewhere. 1,500. You want to be my 1,501? I do have like 1,000. I don't remember how much. But yeah. Samir, do you watch my channel?
Yep. I do.
Why do you watch my channel?
Because it's very fun.
Because it's fun?
Yeah.
Okay. You hear that, guys? My
And
name
my
is my channel is fun.
It's strong.
Yeah,
You
he's
want
gonna. I'm
ice
gonna.
cream?
If you want ice cream,
Not
Yes.
here, but you're going to want ice cream.
Yes.
were you answering for me? Well, maybe.
No,
Yeah.
I'm answering for
Well,
myself.
later, not now.
But if we're gonna, okay, better we just buy it from now.
I'm answering for myself.
But up
She asked me.
for yard without buying.
Yeah, we can buy it later.
That's what I said later.
We can buy it later. Late. You know what editing I forgot to do because I didn't long see me out and tracker. Hours upon hours, Reggie. I was just calling you Reggie. Samir.
What's up? Feel good, be back.
Anyways.
I said that she feels good to be back.
Well, it's probably a drive.
Come here, you leave your window up.
Ma.
I might somebody grab you out of the car.
Why we leave the window up? Sometimes I have to like a boy walk right
And grab
That's
it.
why I must say so.
Oh, I saw something on YouTube today. It was in Jamaica. Somebody was getting a patty. Yeah, and one boy would just run up into the car and just steal the patty like so fast. He was like,
You see that on YouTube, Samir?
yeah, for real.
So you never show
No,
me.
1 month. 1 month.
Where are they?
But I did want to, you know, get the...
A patty. Oh, oh.
That is the first time.
Well, the patty that I've been having in DC, the chicken patty, where the pop color.
Wait,
What were you doing? Popping my color? Pop my color. Oh yeah, I thought you were popping my color. You know what that is? You don't. This is pop your color. You don't know that? Like I said, you got swag, you got style. Anyways, yeah. What I was saying was that in DC, I had chicken patty and it was the real Jamaican chicken patty. But the patty that I've been having for the last 4 years, the beef patties, they are the frozen patties which taste horrible. It's no comparison to tasting patty. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in when I get home. They're probably extra hot now. Alright guys, so I don't want, I'm hiding. I don't want my fam to see because I want to surprise them. What happened to you? I'm surprising my family. So I gotta hide that they don't see in the car, even though the car is tinted and everything.
Don't
Be a bit.
don't tell anybody, please. Don't tell anybody.
Look at me there. Come here, hold it.
Auntie,
Come here, hold it. Hey guys, alright, so I'm home in Jamaica. Hey guys, I'm not gonna show my mom because my mom is cooking and because this is a surprise people, and you know already when you get home you're not expecting any visitors, so of course you don't look your best. So I'm not gonna show her on camera, but I'm here. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm gonna eat my patty and all of that. My sister right there. Guys, I painted this thing in 2017, and also my mom kept this thing, which is when I was leaving my job and my workplace. They created this thing for me where they were, you know, like wishing me all the best. You know, this is me like almost 5 years ago, you know. This is my nephew. So anyways people, bye, see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so right now I'm watching YouTube. Okay, so it's on.
Oh, he got it.
Alright, so